Hello, hello. How does it sound now? I hope it is clear for you to hear me.
I can hear you now. It's clear. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for letting me know. Okay, so we can begin the Crust Network community call now. Community call number 32. I am Samir. Nice to meet you all, and thank you for having me on this community call as a presenter. First, just a look on the mainnet status. Some of the important things to note: the nodes reaching just under 1600, and the account numbers going right under 100,000, currently around 50 left. Other key factors: storage orders went above 2.6 million. Okay, so moving on the technology, on Crust Network, we can look at some of the key things that we concluded the previous month. The development of the increasing the total number of copies of files across the entire network, as well as enabling the file computing power curve. Those functionality are basically completed and are currently in testing and will be up as soon as possible. The development of the Crust mainnet data statistics service and the related reports are also pretty much completed that are currently in testing to ensure a seamless usage. The development of adding boot nodes to the IPFS is completed and ready for release. And the Polkadot parachain auction has concluded successfully and secured the lease periods 17 to 24 in the number 71 auction through crowd loan. Moving on from the technology of the THDA, the THDA testnet has officially launched, including adjustments to WOPTX, the interface, the WOP gas fee mechanism, and updates related to chain-related components like the bridge, the exporter, Blobscon, SDK, docs, etc., etc. And the two EIPs, the 7588 and 5625, have both changed their status to review and are currently undergoing a community review. And Tonebacks initiated a product design, technical research, and development. So this is for the technology ecosystem. A huge collaboration, which we were excited. This was the Crust collabs with the Tansy network, which is to enhance the centralized storage with the advanced upchain infrastructure. We've made sure to share it on the socials where everyone can see it. Another thing in the ecosystem is that now you can stake your CRU on hydration, and with that you can experience smooth operations and earn up to 55% of APR in HDX and 200% of the APR in the VDOT rewards. Here the CRU joined the HydraDX Omnipool. Following in the ecosystem updates, the Crust network has won the Polkadot parachain SWOT auction 71, and with that we will continue to support the Polkadot ecosystem by meeting all parachain data storage needs. And this is like a huge thank you to all the Crust community for your support. And only with you this is possible to exist. Also, we are excited to join the Polkadot Challenge for 180 days of Polkadot, which is designed by EasyA app. This year, the challenges are going to be huge, and we are thrilled and excited to be a part of it. And you can stay tuned. We will constantly update it on all of our social channels to have you up to date with the latest.
Gravăm un video. Nu pot. Uite.
And moving on in the ecosystem, we are thrilled to announce the official launch of the ETH-DA testnet. This has been a huge thing for all of us, looking forward to, and now it is officially up, the testnet. It enhances data availability, the DA, for Ethereum layer 2s, and with that reducing the costs and congestions with EIP minus 4844. And we encourage you all to dive in and explore the seamless DA solutions. And we are looking forward to all the possible feedback on it. Moving on with some community updates. Crust joined the Consensus 2024 and had a booth with the Polkadot ecosystem. This was an event which was very helpful to connect with everyone and do it together with our partners from Polkadot. Another thing, we had a Crust had a blast at the monthly Polkadot meetup in Hong Kong too. It was a great experience to chat and connect with everyone. Another thing we are happy to share is that the Crust community joined the Arbitrum workshop at UNAM Blockchain Club to introduce how to upload on Arbitrum by Crust files. This was a very interesting and helpful workshop with which a lot of things were taught, and the community was excited about and managed to learn a lot by it. The Crust Gateway Collection program now celebrates its first anniversary. During it, we've seen 13 getaways at peak and 11 still going strong. I think about it is this year we are increasing the rewards and encouraging getaways from new regions. Join now and you can earn up to 5,000 CRU per year plus bonus for unique locations. And you can see that the rewards vary and they will be distributed monthly over 12 months. And you can see that based on different regions, there are bonus rewards. The chief architect of Crust Network participated in a Twitter space hosted by Polysphere. It was a very interesting and helpful space in which a thing that was at the topic of discussion was what pessimistic proof is and what impacts it has on Polygon. We are thankful to be part of it and to discuss it because we believe it is important. And the Polysphere invited Crust to also participate in a Twitter space in which the topic of discussion was the feasibility of AG layer implementation for interoperability and liquidity sharing among the L2s, layer 2s on Polygon. We believe that sharing this information and always having the spaces and always updating is a helpful and a good way to grow and learn. Excuse me. Another thing, Crust joined the 2024 Web3 Connect Summit, which was held in Hong Kong. And with it, we learned great insights into the DePIN and AI in the Web3 industry. As we know, these two are topics of discussion and which are one of the most important ones that we have to get to know in today's world. And we are glad that we were able to participate and learn valuable things about them. And lastly, we will just quickly go over that all pink have been distributed to hydration liquidity providers. That found 5 rounds of airdrops are done, and to stay tuned that more are coming soon. Thank you, and this sums up the monthly report of the Crust network. Now we can go over the questions that were asked for the task that was assigned, and we selected 3 questions, and I will just go over them now. So reading the first one being my question is, will Crust Network be making this available on other chains? I know that Polygon offers scalability and affordability, but there was a time that the chain was down for an extended period of time, which is why I asked if it would make on other chains like Solana, for example. Thank you, Daniela. Going over it. So ETHDA is currently integrated into Polygon CDK, primarily serving the Polygon ecosystem. However, its goal is to expand its services to more layer 2 solutions in the future. Therefore, it will have opportunities to collaborate with additional layer 2 platforms. As for particularly Solana being a layer 1 network, Crust network itself will provide services to it. Another question. The cost of Crust Cloud is very high as compared to storing files on Crust network for $1. On Crust Cloud, I get 1 GB of storage. But if I were to use Crust network DSM, then I would get 13.5 terabyte of storage. Why is this so? Thank you, Annie. So Crust Cloud as a product offers various services and guides users to bypass unnecessary steps. For example, it supports permanent storage and enables data to be transferred to others in the form of NFTs, which can be used for pricing. These functionalities are not available in the DSM. And another question being, what are the upcoming features and improvements planned for Crust Network? Thank you, Terry. A great question. So we are currently enhancing the performance of mainnet, such as increasing the maximum number of storage replicas for files to 80, which also will boost the storage capacity for miners. We are actively seeking solutions to address the issue of gateway domains being reported and subsequently shut down. So this pretty much sums up the questions that were asked. Thanks to everyone who participated and looked over our report as well as having the questions answered. We are thankful for everyone supporting us, and we will keep updating you on all the social channels. And for any further questions that may arise, feel free to send them in the Crust Network Telegram group, and we will be happy to answer them there. Thank you so much for being with us today and having us.